Good day, Humanities 110. This is Stelyn, and I am going to discuss part 4 of your research project, which is your anonymous peer review. Before we get started, I want to just confirm that in week 9, you would have already completed in step 3 an introduction, 3 main points, a conclusion with clear subheaders. You would also have a minimum of 2 images with in-text and reference list citation. If you have questions about how to cite those sources, please review the video from step 2 or part 2. And you would also have in week 9 a minimum of 500 words. Now keep in mind for your week 15, your final draft is going to be a minimum of 750 words, but only for week 9 and for week 11, you only need 500. And the standard APA formatting is 12-point font in Times New Roman. So in week 11, the anonymous peer review section, here are some quick instructions. First things first, you're going to read the assignment instructions. That's really important to understand what you're doing. Now, you're going to apply the feedback that you receive from your instructor from week 9 into your draft that you're going to upload in week 11. So we definitely should see those, that you should have applied the feedback that we provided in week 9. Once you have your rough draft in week 11, you're going to upload it. When you go to the week 11 assignment, you're going to see it in the upper right-hand corner where it says start assignment, and you upload as you've done in your previous steps. Now, once you upload or after you've uploaded your rough draft, you will then be automatically assigned 2 peer reviews for you to complete. Okay, keep in mind that you must submit your rough draft in order for the peer reviews to be submitted to you. All right. It only happens after you have uploaded your rough draft. Once you have your rough draft uploaded, you can then proceed with completing those 2 assigned anonymous peer reviews. These are due in week 13. Okay, and so in order to complete the peer review, you're going to complete the rubric, much like you've experienced with your weekly assignments from your instructor. You're going to also make sure that you assign points and provide feedback. You want to make sure that you are offering feedback to your peers in the same manner that you would want feedback on your paper. How can they improve? Okay. And so we're looking for you to offer some constructive, substantive feedback to your fellow peers. And then the most important stuff is that you're going to click Save Comments. You must click Save Comments in order for your peer review to be submitted, okay? And so once you have submitted your peer review, you'll see that there is a check mark that says Submitted. And then once you've completed the 2, you'll also notice that there are check marks next to the peer reviews that you were assigned. So some instructor tips for week 11 and for week 13 would be to start early. As always, read the assignment instructions, look ahead, see what's required in week 15, as well as know that your peer review that is due in week 13, it is a graded assignment and it is not optional. So you do want to make sure that you are submitting those 2 peer reviews in week 13 so that your fellow learners will have an opportunity to apply that feedback for their final draft. Now, if you have any trouble assessing the peer reviews, please email your instructor, but do so with a screenshot. It helps us help you and that kind of navigate that from the learner or the student in. Last but not least, as always, know your resources. You can utilize the library for more resources if you have questions about your research project. If you would even like your research project reviewed by a member of the Writing Center, you can do that as well. And as always, if you have any questions, please let your instructor know. I do hope that this was helpful for you. Take care and have a wonderful day. Good luck.